Hey everybody, this is John Barton. This is your weekly showcase for Friday, May 1st. All right, so we are into May already this year. How about that? Wow, time just runs by. Okay, so first case we have here is Stuck on the Cart. First case I have here is a 3x6, gray and green. Gray and green with gray body and pockets. Pocket sides are green with white zipper pulls and green stitching. And this one has a gray interior. Could have been either or right there. All right, 3x6. So there's that one. Hey Chandler, Shelby, you guys can just literally take these and go start packing them as we go here, whatever you got. Okay, this one here is a 2x5, 3x4 in a multicolor. This is black with light purple, light blue, and light pink. Check it out. Also different color zipper pulls with a flip top lid. Very cool. This is our magnetic puzzle latch, we call it. And there you go. In a black interior, 2x5, 3x4. With the magnetic puzzle latch, slips over just like that. Very cool. Oh, and we have an extra ring here for I don't know what reason right there, but the customer knows, and if they're happy with it, we're happy with it. Okay, there you go. Boom. As always, I'm late doing this, so I'm trying to get this weekly showcase done so we can get these cases out before the weekend so people can get the cases they've been patiently waiting for. All right, this case is very pretty. This is all white right here with blue piping, one strap with blue stitching, and blue zipper pulls. Very nice. Someone is very ambitious to buy an all-white case. All right, and this has a blue interior, 4 butts, 8 shafts. There you go. All right, next one I have here is a 4x8 Asian Zing hybrid with leather handles. This is really nice. Look at this. This has a nylon body, nylon polyester with silk brocade pockets. That's what we like to call our Asian Zing style. And very pretty. 4 butts, 8 shafts with gray zippers and gray stitching and gray zipper pulls and gray leather handles. 4 butts, 8 shafts. There you go. Very nice. That is a very pretty one. Very elegant. Okay, next one I have here is a 3x6 in black and burnt orange with a really nice embroidery on the pocket there. Check this out. It says Warrior on there. Look at the quality of our embroidery. I mean, you know, some people say I hate to brag, but I don't hate to brag. I love to brag because we do good shit. For real. Look at how nice that is. This is just quality through and through. They can knock us off, but they can't ever, like, actually clone us because they don't even understand the work that we do, much less attempt to actually duplicate it. So there you go, 3x6. All right, another 4x8. This one is black and orange. Black with orange stitching, orange zipper pulls, orange pockets. Oh, look. And a message. This person is being very, very clear about what they mean. Clarity is important in relationships. So there you go. There's no ambiguity there. You know exactly what is wanted. And I guess it would be up to you if you decide to honor that request or not. I do not know what the consequences would be of honoring it, but I do believe that very often the words "find out" comes directly behind the words "fuck off." So if you want to find out, fuck off. No, it's fuck around, right? Oh, I got it wrong. Sorry. If you fuck off, then you're not fucking around and you won't find out. So if you don't fuck off and you do fuck around, you will probably find out. There we go. I got it right. So John's fucked up cultural reference of the day. All right. Anyway, 4x8, all black, with just a splash of color with those natural colored zipper pulls right there, and a taller lid. There we go. Let's see what's in that taller lid. What do we have in there? Is it going to be a ball holder? Is it going to be a medicine holder or whatever, an extra compartment? It is the extra compartment with a surprise yellow interior. There you go. And a magnetic lid with extra compartment. There you go. Boom. Done. There you go. All right, next one we have here is a really cool tweed. This is a black or gray, dark, super smoky gray or black and teal tweed. 4 butts, 8 shafts. Very pretty. This one has such a nice feeling to it with a gray interior. Complements it perfectly as usual. Isn't it nice that you guys can just choose the color of your interior and everything? We had a guy yesterday. We were looking up like videos on how to change the interior, and we came across a customer video where the guy got a black interior and he compared it to the Devil's Ignis. Not sure where he got that reference from. That's the thing that came to mind. But when he put in a blue interior, he was very pleased. So here's a beautiful case. This is black, green, orange, and teal with orange zipper pulls. And just a nice small name on the top of the lid there. On the front of the lid, green stitching. Very cool. This is a 2x5, 3x4 with an orange interior. There you go. All right, next one I have here for you guys is going to be one that I can't get off from the back side here. Come on, damn it. All right, this is a butterfly. This is a 4x8 butterfly. Very elegant case here, black with red stitching. 2 pockets, leather handles. There you go. And then this has, as I said, a 4-butt 8 shaft interior in red, classic red right there. I should not read like political commentary before I come to do these, because I had a description for what the interior looked like right there, and it is not even fit for YouTube. But I will say this: for those of you who know, if you know, you know, it was a Laura Loomer reference. All right, and had to do with a fast food chain. Okay. All right, this is a great tweet. I really need to get off that thought process. This is a gray tweed. This is like business elegant right here. Super cool. And look how nice that is. Here, let me get it closer so you guys can really appreciate that texture. You know, I've got these weekly showcase videos playing in the pool room. And it really struck me as to how nice some of them really come across, how clear when it's on a big screen. Can you, there's like a loose thread right there. Can you cut that before you pack it? Will do. Excuse me, I got something stuck in my throat. All right. Last couple cases. We have a 3x6, black and gray. This one has all right, this one has wow, I really do have something stuck in my throat. All right, this one has a flip top lid, a magnetic top pocket, 2 regular pockets, and initials down there, ML. Very cool. Single strap with gray stitching. And as I said, it's a 3x6. This one also has a spacer that comes with it. The spacers don't need any tools. They're very easy to use. So like I said, 3 butts, 6 shafts, boom, magnetic lid, magnetic top pocket, and spacer. Hold on. And I haven't been opening the pockets, but sometimes in the pockets, this one feels like, yep, there we go. This one's got a pocket tray inside, which is something that you can order. So the pocket tray comes out, and all of those dividers are configurable, so you can play with it and get everything set in just its perfect space. And if you do it right, you can even get it set where you can turn the whole thing over and nothing falls out because it's so tightly held inside, and then everything has its place. When you open it up, there it is. When you're done, you put it right back where it goes and you're perfect. All right. One more, and then we'll be done for this one. So this is a 4x8. So this is what we call our Dynamite Rugged. So this is 2 pockets, 18 and 8 inches. And it's a 4x8, all black, black on black. Black zipper pulls, black everything. This is the basic case that started it all. And this one has a blue, light blue interior. Some people call that tournament blue. And there you go. That'll do it for today. Oh, by the way, on this one, the pockets are also taller. A little bit taller here. These are 2-inch pockets, so they're taller. So they're longer and taller. It's called Dynamite Rugged because the first person that ordered it like this was a customer, and his nickname is Kid Dynamite. I have not been assigned a nickname by anybody. So, but I think that if I did get one, since I get out of line so much, it would be Out of Line Johnny or Wrong Way Johnny. Anyway, so there you go. That is our weekly showcase for the week of May 1st. The ending in May 1st. And just remember, if you don't want to build it yourself, go to jbcases.com and we'll be happy to build one for you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.